Good morning to everyone. I am Divakar from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today my assignment topic is octane and cetane numbers. Octane and cetane numbers. Introduction to octane and cetane numbers. Octane and cetane numbers are important indicators of fuel performance. Octane ratings apply primarily to gasoline while cetane ratings pertain to diesel fuel. Understanding these numbers helps in selecting the right fuel for optimal engine operation. What is octane number? The octane number measures a fuel's ability to resist knocking or pinging during combustion. Higher octane ratings indicate greater resistance to premature ignition. Common octane ratings include 87 regular, 89 mid-grade, and 91 to 93 premium. The importance of octane rating. An appropriate octane ratings ensures efficient engine performance and fuel economy. Using fuel with a lower octane than recommended can lead to engine damage over time. Performance vehicles often require higher octane fuels to achieve their fuel full power potential. How octane ratings are determined? Octane ratings are determined using standardized tests such as the research octane number RON and motor octane number MON. The average of RON and MON is often used as the posted octane rating at gas stations. Special additives can enhance octane ratings, improving fuel performance. What is cetane number? The cetane number measures the ignition quality of diesel fuel. Higher cetane numbers indicate that the fuel ignites more readily in the engine. Typical cetane ratings for diesel fuels range from 40 to 55, depending on the application. The importance of cetane rating. A higher cetane rating leads to smoother engine operation and reduced emissions. Diesel engines with higher cetane fuel can achieve better cold start performance. Low cetane numbers can cause engine knocking and increased exhaust emissions. How cetane ratings are determined? Cetane ratings are determined through standardized tests involving the comparison of fuel ignition timing. The fuel's performance is compared against reference fuels with known cetane ratings. Additives can also be used to improve cetane numbers, enhancing combustion efficiency. Differences between octane and cetane. Octane and cetane numbers function is in opposite ways. One measures resistance to knocking while the other measures ignition quality. Gasoline engines benefit from higher octane ratings, while diesel engines require higher cetane ratings. Understanding these differences is crucial for engine design and fuel selection. Impact on engine performance. Using the correct octane or cetane fuel can significantly affect engine longevity and efficiency. Performance tuning and modifications of tank require specific octane or cetane ratings for optimal results. Engine manufacturers provide specifications to guide fuel selection based on performance needs. Future trends in fuel ratings. Advanced in technology may lead to new fuel formulations with higher octane or cetane numbers. The push for cleaner fuels may also influence the development of alternative fuels ratings. Regulatory changes and environmental concerns are shaping the future of fuel performance standards. Conclusion. Octane and cetane numbers are vital for understanding fuel performance in gasoline and diesel engines. Proper fuel selection can enhance engine efficiency, reduce emissions, and prolong engine life. Awareness of fuel ratings is essential for consumers and industry professionals alike. Cetane number and octane number. Cetane number diesel fuel and octane number gasoline. Both measure the tendency of the fuel to engineer spontaneously. The certain number refers to the ease with which diesel fuel engineers easily at relatively low temperature. Thank you for giving this opportunity.